Hello everyone, I am Richa Gaur from Quick Maths. Exercise 11.3, question number 2. A suitcase with measures 80 centimeter, 48 centimeter and 24 centimeter. So obviously it is in the form of cuboid. So the suitcase is in the form of cuboid because all the measurements of length are different. So it is not the cube, it is the cuboid. And it carries something, so it is in the form of cuboid. Now length is 80 centimeter and the breadth is given as 48 centimeter and the height is 24 centimeter. This one is the breadth, this one is the length and this is the height. It is given. So length 80 centimeter and breadth 48 centimeter and height is 24 centimeter is given. LBH in the form of L, B and H is to be covered with tarpaulin cloth. There is a cloth of tarpaulin material to cover the suitcases. It is hard form. It is in the hard form to protect it from the outer damage. How many meters of the tarpaulin of width 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcases? So first we have to cover the tarpaulin to 100 such suitcases. So first of all we should know the area of one suitcase so that we can multiply it with the 100 numbers and we can calculate the tarpaulin cloth. So first area of one suitcase. Area of one such suitcase is total surface area because we have to cover it with all around. So it is a total surface area. Total is 2 LB plus BH plus HL. So total surface area is equal to 2 into LB means 80 multiply 48 plus 48 multiply 24 plus 24 multiply again 80. So it is total surface area represented by TSA. 2 multiply 0, 8 8 the 64, 6 carry, 8 4 the 32, 32 means 38 plus we will calculate it, and this one is 0, 8 4 the 32, 3 carry, 8 2 the 16, 16 and this one 3 is 19, and we can multiply 48 by 24 here. 4 8 the 32, 4 4 16, 19, 2 8 the 16, 1 2 4 the 8 and 9. This is 2 15 1 11. So it is 1152. So again TSA can be written as 2 multiply 0 2 0. It will be 2. 4 5 9, 9 and 2 11. 1 carry. 9 and 1 10. 10 and 9 19. Again 1 carry. 4 5 6. It is 6. So it will be 2 to the 4, 2 1 the 2, 2 9 the 18, 1, 2 6 the 12 and 13, 13824, and area it is in centimeter square. This is the total surface area of one suitcase. Now I am rubbing it to make the surface for further calculation. Now, how many meters of tarpaulin of width 96? If we have seen the cloth, just a minute. Suppose this is the cloth of tarpaulin. It is in the rectangular shape. So its width is 96 but length is missing and he is asking the length. How many meters of cloth? So obviously he is asking the length. So the area of tarpaulin cloth must be equated with the area of this one cuboid suitcase. So area of tarpaulin cloth must be equated to the total surface area of one suitcase. So area is length into breadth. because it is in the rectangular form. And the TSA we have obtained is 13824. Put the value length into 96 is equal to 13824. So we can calculate the length as 13824 by 96. Cancel out with the 2. 2 4 the 8 and 16 2 8 the 2, 2 6 the 12, 2 9 the 18, 2 1 the 2 2 the, again 2 2 the 2 4 the, 2 3 the 2 4 the 8, 2 5 the 2 6 the, again 2 12 the 2 1 the 2 2 7 the 2 2 the 2 8 the, again 2 6 the 2 8 the, 2 6 the, and 2 4 the. Again we can cancel it. 6 we can cancel it with 6. 6 1 the 6, 26 6 4 the, again 4 the. It's 144. We have finally obtained as 144, and it is in centimeter, because breadth is given in centimeter, width is given in centimeter, so length must be, it is in the centimeter. So the length of cloth is this much, but it is a length to cover just one suitcase, and we have to calculate the length to cover the 100 such suitcases. So to cover, I am writing here, because my face is also here, so it will not be visible clear to you. So I am taking just this area. I am taking this area. I am rubbing it to make a space for you people, so that it can be clear to you. Now I am using this area for final calculation. Now therefore, how many meters? 100, 400 such suitcases we can write 144 into 100. The length to cover the one suitcase is 144. We have obtained 400 such suitcases. It will be 144 100, and it is centimeter. And in the case of meter, because generally the cloth is in the meter, not in centimeter, so it in meter 144. Two zeros will be gone. We will divide it with the 100, so it will be 144 meter. It is the answer. So the final length of tarpaulin cloth to cover 100 such suitcases is 144 meter. Thank you so much.